Hi, to take scrolling screenshots on the Xiaomi Mix Flip is really simple. Firstly, let's take just default screenshot. For that, we are gonna press the power button and volume down button at the same time like that. And now the screenshot is taken. Also, you can see this scroll option, but for now it is deactivated because there is nothing where we can scroll. And to make a scrolling screenshot, we can open settings, for example. Here we got some space where we can scroll, so let's take this type of screenshot. For that, as I said before, press the power and volume down buttons at the same time and tap on this option to scroll. After that, it can automatically scroll like that, or you can just manually swipe up or down to capture the whole page. Now, when you are done, you'll need to simply tap this done button and save the screenshot to your gallery. But firstly, you can edit it, you can crop it here, you can just draw something on this screenshot. I'm gonna draw a heart. And here you can immediately share with the screenshot, delete it, and save to gallery. Now let's find it in the gallery. I'm gonna open it here. Now let's just wait a couple of seconds, and so this is the usual screenshot, right? And that one is scrolling screenshot, so you can basically see the whole page here. And these types of screenshot are really useful if you are gonna capture the whole web page, for example. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.